Alright, old Betsy update time. Got the front axles rebooted. Got new bushings and rubber cushions on the AHC shocks. Gonna get new fluid in there. Got the new radiator, it's holding up good. No complaints so far with the Spectra unit. I need to do my steering rack bushings. Those are getting pretty bad. My lower ball joints have a good amount of play in them. Been doing some trail riding recently and they're getting pretty bad. It's like that on both sides. So new ball joints will be coming shortly. Painted the shocks as well. Everything under here is looking nice and dry, no leaks, knock on wood. Valve cover gaskets are looking beautiful. Nice and dry. Transmission's dry. Engine, oil pan, rear main seal area. It's all good. T-case is looking good. And the rear axle is looking good. Next I'll be doing the rear shock bushings and cushions as well. And you can see the KO2s, painted wheels. I think it looks a lot better. Oh yeah, can't forget about the Metal Tech sliders. Really enjoying those. I got a couple nice battle scars there. They definitely came in handy. Money well spent. I wish they came out a little more, but it is what it is. Yep, that's about it. The clear corners on there. Fancy. Not looking too bad. Currently at 310,000 miles. And performing amazingly. Until next time.